I will show you how to create a Lego tile with a number or letter at the top. As a base, I use a regular 2 by 2 tile model that can be easily found on the printables. I'm cloning the model to have the original one unchanged for further reuse. Then I'm adding the new text shape, choosing a suitable font, and changing the text height. Next, cloning the model for the second time to add one more symbol, repeating previous settings. To prepare for printing, I'm hiding the original model from the plate, changing line height for better quality, and setting ironing to make top surfaces smoother. Now it's ready to print. That's it. Now you can use it in your Lego models.